Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the rack I just reviewed recently from Costco, Kilimanjaro brand, which was very great rack, what I expect from it. But I guess they have recall, and the recall reasons, there's few reasons actually. It was not as durable, and I think it's underrated. So this rack was rated for 100 pounds each bicycle, but what recall said it was failed in different parts. To hold the 200 pounds bicycles on the car like this one right now, it has to be really solid. This bike it feels solid, but it's mostly aluminum. And they say in recall that they fail in the hitch mounting and also some other parts because all these clamps attachment on the aluminum kind of. So also, once I tried to use this clamp, actually didn't work well. So basically, I don't really regret much because I didn't really use this rack, and I'll explain you why. First of the reason I like this rack because it's compact, easy movable on the wheels, so you can take it with you, put it on the car, remove it. It's not that hard to put it on, to remove it, but I couldn't park my car in garage with the rack on. So all this what I liked already good, but again it's not as good enough for me. It was because I couldn't really use it on daily basis because I would have to park my car outside, and that's maybe also problem for some people. But again, the rack is light. I believe it's like 40 something pounds. It's not that heavy, but it's on recall. So what you should do if you receive the recall letter, or if you didn't receive the recall letter, you should check. I'm gonna post it right here. You should check information if your item is listed under recall. If you are not sure, you can always call the Costco if you buy it from Costco website, or you can go to the Costco warehouse. They can pull out your information and make sure your item is under recall or not. So any items I think bought in 2023 to 2024 September, most of them should be on recall. Again, check with Costco, but again, don't use them because it's high risk not only to get your bike damaged, but you can also injure somebody who is behind you while you're driving. So again, try not to use this, take it back to Costco. And now I have many people asking questions what to do next, and I'll show you what I gonna get replacement with. So I already attached replacement on my car, and so far I love it. I'll explain to you why I love the rack I have it, and this rack I'm gonna put it aside so you can see this rack close up, and I'll tell you what I like about this rack, and I'll show you how this rack works. And also this rack comes with a ramp. Also it's good for up to 200 pounds total, so 100 pounds per each bicycle. So it's a very solid. Actually, it's made out of steel, not aluminum like this bike rack. And just from what I install, I can feel it's much solid bike, right? Like bike rack. I would compare this one to the one I have before install, like did review, which cost almost double price. But I didn't like the first one because I still couldn't put the car in my garage with the rack on. With this rack, I can easily put inside my garage with this rack on because it's very close to the car, so the door can close evenly. So that's something probably good for many people who is looking for something that they can use and park the car inside the garage as well. So let's talk about this new rack, the one I got. So this new rack actually made by Young Electric, and Young Electric makes nice bicycles. I did have review one of the bicycles. It's East Coast. It's 750 watt motor. They do have a little bit more upgraded with larger battery. This one is I think 15 amp battery. It's very similar to Aventon Adventure 1, or like this, basically Kender tires. Very nice bicycle. And if you buy one of the bicycles from Ejo, one I'm gonna post link, you're gonna get free rack for single bicycle. So the bike around $1,200, and you get free rack. So it's very good deal right now. They have it on sale. And this rack made by Young Electric, and I got it from Ejo company, actually authorized dealer and partner with Young Electric. They're the one who service the bicycles. They service the rack if you have any issues. So that's a great reason to buy from them, because if you buy either a rack or one of the bicycle, you're gonna have a USA support available. Not only by phone, they can do video call, so they can give you support. Okay, so that's why it's number one reason to buy from Ejo directly any of the product, because you're gonna get support from them as well. So the bicycle, you're gonna get support if you need it, or the rack. And if you buy from Ejo, you support local business which located in California, San Diego. That's one of the most people requesting buy from local businesses, so you can support local business. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna support local business if you buy this rack or you buy the bicycles. They have many different bicycles from Ejo or Young Electric. You can check link in description. I do have an additional $100 off on some of the bicycle. You can check again link in description to see which one will give you $100 off. But the bicycle is very good quality, and I did review in the past. So let's talk about this rack, why I like it. So first, it also comes with a ramp right here. It's attached right here, so you need to remove this pin in order to remove this ramp. So I'm going to remove the ramp. Also, you can move easily. You remove this pin, okay, and then you would remove this pin, and you can make this rack already for use. Very easy and quick. So I'm going to demonstrate how easy. So basically you just remove this pin, okay, which I already attached to the rack. Okay, you can put it to the side, because I'm going to use this with a bike. You know, you can also lift it up and put it up. Then you just remove this pin as well, put it down, and you would reinsert it from either side. So you would reinsert the pin right here, and you insert this one up. Okay, so we'll hold it in place, and now it's ready to use. It's very solid, not shaking, and good about this, it has a very deep pocket, nice solid, not like other bike I had. All this steel, very solid. It's a little bit heavy, but it is solid rack. So here's a ramp. It's very easy to insert it. Basically you just insert it right here. It's very solid, actually better than the other one. It's made out of one piece, also from steel. I saw some comments before on the previous rack from Costco why I didn't put the bike close to the car on this ramp, because it was easy to demonstrate further, so you can see better. But today I'm gonna just demonstrate how I'm gonna put rack right over here, bicycle on the close to the car. There's enough space, so I can do both. So first I'm gonna use actually Young Electric. It's a fat tire bike, very similar to same size about as Aventon Adventure. So you just pull up, very easy, and drop it right here. So once you drop inside the pocket, so you can secure different ways. You can secure it to the frame, or you can secure it to the seat post. I think on this bike I'm gonna secure it to the frame just to show you. It's pretty simple, and I'm gonna secure it first, and then I'll show you how it will look. And it's adjustable, pretty solid, and tighten up over here. And even with the only thing I already secured it, also you would secure the wheel. I'm going to get closer so you can see it as well. So here's a close-up look. So you use a strap which already included, secure to the frame if you want to. You can also secure to the seat post. Then you would secure on the bottom over here with the same like strap. It's already included. It's attached to the, and then the same thing you do on this side. So you would basically just resecure on this side as well. And I try to do it with one hand, and there's enough space, so there's no problem. As some people ask me why did I do with a Costco one, there's enough space for two bicycles, and you can put second bicycle right here. I didn't even attach it yet, and you can see the bike already very good, solid. Again, you can check a lot of review on this bike, Yank Electric. I think this rack is one of the best. For me, I love it because I can use it basically without removing the rack. I know it's a bit heavier than Costco one, but this one is perfect because it's very solid. All these bolts and nuts are made without unlocking, special mechanism. So basically it will not unscrew while you driving the car, and everything's safe. The only things I noticed, this bike rack does not come with locking mechanism. So if you want to get for a hitch rack locking mechanism, I'm going to post link in description. It's available for $120 on Amazon. You basically just replace one of the bolt with a special locking mounting mechanism, and it will have a lock so nobody can remove from your car. And then you can use just bike long locking chain or whatever to attach to the rack if you want to. Usually I prefer not to leave the bike unattended, because regardless what kind of lock you have, people can still steal it. And that's a Yank Electric mate. They also comes a single one. I think it's solar, and this one is under $400. You want to check link in description to see what current price is. And also if you buy one of the bicycle from Yank Electric through EJO, you're gonna get one free rack for single use. And again, this rack is much better because it's not only it feels solid, but also I'm very happy that I can park my car inside the garage without removing the rack. That's how it will look. Once you put the bicycle on, you can put two large bikes on it. It will fit up to 4.5 inches wide. This one is 4 inches wide, and you can see there's enough space in between. 5 inches wide can fit this bike. Again, check link in description for more information. It's a Yank Electric mate, and they also come as solar for single bicycle. Very solid, heavy duty bicycle rack, up to 100 pounds each rack. So basically 200 total you can lift. So it's a great bicycle rack replacement for Costco one you have. If you cannot find anything better, I think this is one of the best you can find today on the market. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.